Well, hey guys, today I want to talk about not being so hard on yourself. Sometimes we may make a mistake when it comes to choices that we make. Maybe we messed up the whole day, the whole week, a whole month, whatever, right? But just don't give up. So for those of you who do not know, before I go further into the topic, I'm Kimmi, and I am on a journey to try to have better health. And I've chosen Weight Watchers as the method right now that I'm using to do that. So a lot of times I'll be speaking about my experience with Weight Watchers and how I use my points, what exercise I'm doing, and just little tips like that. And a lot of things I'm unpacking about my own health and journey, even from childhood. So we'll be talking about a little bit of everything. But today I want to talk about if you mess up one meal or one choice at a meal, or the whole day, or like I was saying earlier, the whole month, that's fine. The very next opportunity, once you think about it, go ahead and get your mind right. And that way you can make a better choice for the next meal or day or month. Making little steps at a time will lead to big, major changes. For myself, I have shared here with you that I've made some choices sometimes when I've gone out with my friends, and it didn't go quite the way I wanted it to. It did not. But the next time I thought about it, or I looked at those points, I looked at my meal, what I coulda, shoulda, woulda, then I'm like, okay, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. So I know for myself, if I get on the scale, the number's not right, if I make a bad choice, I'm like over it. I'm like, forget it. Done. Stick a fork in it. But we can't do like that. Just say, for example, you're driving your car and your car has a flat tire. One tire out of 4 went bad. Are you going to just leave the car on the freeway? Say, forget it. I'll just get a new one. Or I don't need a car. I don't even need a car. I'll just walk. No, we're going to get that one tire fixed, and then we'll be able to drive the vehicle again, right? It's the same thing with our health, weight loss, etc. Don't just give up because we made one mistake. Even though you get down, you can get back up. If you're walking down the street, and you fall into some mud, you're not just going to be like, you know what, leave me here. No, you need help getting up. You want to get cleaned up as fast as you can. You really want to forget about it. You hope nobody didn't see you, right? So the same thing with our weight loss journey. A lot of times we're frightened that we messed up and we can't get back on track. Well, I'm here to tell you, you can get back on track. And don't even let other people, I've talked about this before, they may see you eating a bad meal and be like, I knew she wasn't going to stick with it. She doing all them videos. I knew she wasn't going to be able to do it. That's really not their business. If I do mess up at one meal, again, I have the right. This is my body, and I will get it back on track. And that's what I really want to emphasize. Because sometimes our friends and family, they mean well, when they say stuff like that. They see you mess up, or you ate a larger piece of cake, or they say you're not supposed to have any cake. Well, you can have what you want to have. On Weight Watchers, you just got to account for it. So if you had a larger piece of cake, maybe the next day you'll make a different choice to offset that, because sometimes it's something that I see I want it when I want it. I want it when I want it. I don't want to say, okay, let me take a little piece home. I talked to y'all about that before. That's why certain things I just don't even bring in my house. I just don't. So my whole point of today's video, though, is I really want to encourage you. You're going to have times when the scale doesn't go right. Remind me of what I'm saying, y'all. That's what I need y'all for. Remind me of what I'm telling y'all when I look at my scale and it's not right because I've been traveling or because I went out to eat and now I'm not having all these wins. So remind me when I'm telling you, Kim, that's okay. Now we're going to move on. Okay. So again, just because you messed up one meal, one day, 1 month, let's get it back on track. Let's get it back on track. Again, I really appreciate all the support that I have been receiving from you all. It really does help hold me accountable. I hope that eventually I can go live soon on the channel. Hopefully I plan for us to do more things via Zoom that we can all kind of get together and talk about what's working, what's not. I know some of you may be a part of Weight Watchers and you may already be doing that, or you may not be a part of Weight Watchers and you just want a community somewhere where you can go and talk about your health and things that, you know, are related to that. So that's the other thing. Everyone cannot afford Weight Watchers. So for those of you who cannot, I hope you can learn from my tips. You know, if for whatever reason, it may not be money. You may not just want to participate right now with that plan, but you don't mind coming to talk to us in this community here, Healthy Life with Kimmi. So I do plan on us doing a few more things. I have to get my numbers up a little bit more before YouTube will give me certain privileges and stuff. But I'm definitely working towards it. Again, like, subscribe, and share. All of that helps me in the algorithm so I can bring more content to you. I know you hear content creators say that all the time, but it really is true. But I'm looking forward to us sharing recipes together. What was our wins? What was our losses? What do we need to work on? What's our challenges? What's going on? You know, let's unpack some stuff privately. You know, we can have some things that will be private that we talk about as a group. There will be other times when I may say, hey, I'm going to record this so everybody can benefit from it. But I'm really looking forward to seeing what all we can get accomplished, okay? So until next time, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Bye.